I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After wind gusts to 30, increase the fire weather concerns to near critical levels this afternoon in the central and west. Once again, tomorrow we'll see westerly downslope winds, warmer highs up to around 60. Lighter winds lower the fire concerns in the central tomorrow, but locations along and west of Highway 83 can expect wind gusts to 25 and continued near critical fire conditions. A cold front drops our highs into the mid-40s to around 50 on Thursday. Precipitation chances increase with two waves of low pressure Thursday afternoon through Friday morning and late Friday into Friday night. Mostly rain is possible for Thursday afternoon before colder air mixes in for occasional chances of mainly snow for Thursday night into Friday night. Snow accumulations are currently expected to be light. Seasonal highs in the upper 30s to the mid-40s are likely by Friday and Saturday. A building ridge of high pressure warming our highs for Sunday and Monday into the upper 40s to the mid-50s. In the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures remain likely Sunday through January 19th for Nebraska, Kansas, and the central and western U.S. Those chances, though, drop off for milder temperatures 8 to 14 days from now. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation is indicated to be below normal the early half of next week before an increase to near normal precipitation late next week through January 19th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include mild weather for the U.S., followed by a possible winter storm to end the week, and differing rainfall in South America. The plains and Midwest stay warmer than normal the next few days. Highs today reach 60 as far north as southwest Nebraska and across the southern Corn Belt. The next 3 days, additional precipitation could total 2 to 6 inches in the Pacific Northwest and exceed an inch in the Four Corners. A pair of mid to late week storms track across the central and southern plains and the Midwest. The initial storm has minimal cold air to work with, leading to mostly rain, locally 1 to 2 inches across parts of the south, east, and lower Midwest. The trailing storm works with colder air but has less moisture available, leading to modest snow accumulations from the central and southern sections of the Rockies and Plains into the Great Lakes. Precipitation largely bypasses the north central U.S. and the southern Atlantic the next 5 days. For the early half of next week, a ridge of high pressure leads to much of the west and central U.S. being mostly dry and mild, while quick shots of cold air and snow track across the east. In central Brazil, widespread rain continues this early week, but could decrease later in the week. Soil moisture in central Brazil remains very low, and coverage of rainfall is more important the next 6 weeks or so for soybeans setting pods. Southern Brazil soil moisture is much better, and beneficial rainfall is predicted late this week into the weekend. Across northern Argentina, where conditions are mostly favorable, there are better chances of rainfall this week in both coverage and amounts for developing corn and soybeans. Southern and central Argentina are drier and expect lighter rain, possibly an area to watch for falling crop conditions. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.